everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, this is going to be a little wig review. I have two different types of the turban wig headband. No, they're not really headband wigs, but I don't know. Okay, so I figure I'm gonna do the one that looks crazy first. That's gonna be the first one that I review. Now these are supposed to be like just quick, easy wigs. These were very cheap. I will leave the link to these in the description box. They were like $10 or less. Now the only thing that I think is crazy about this one is the color. Like, I've never done this bright of a color before, so that's going to be different for me. But okay, so whatever the little turban is that's on the website, that is the turban that you will get. Like, I thought I was going to be able to, well, shoot, you can still cover it up. So there is a drawstring. The drawstring is inside of this piece right here. That's long. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the front because it's got the little band part right here. But this actually reminds me of a hairstyle that I would do with my own hair. You guys, I'll leave a little snip of that video now. Rated my jewelry. When I tell you she took it, you guys, she literally took everything I had in my room. All I got left is... Okay, now y'all can't tell me that this don't mimic that a little bit. Okay, so y'all, I just got some braids up in my hair for right now. That's all I got going on. Okay, so I'm going to put this on and let you guys see exactly what it looks like. Okay, there's no combs. There is like nothing. This is like scary. This is scary. Okay. Oh, let me tuck my braids in. Okay. It's actually very secure for it to be like a drawstring. Like, this is actually... Oh, snap, y'all. Like, that's... What? Y'all, like, it's actually not bad. What? Y'all, that's actually, like, really cute. What? I mean, it might need a little fluffing, but y'all, wait, I can't, because I'm trying to do this, like, style it on my camera, but the camera is like mirrored. You get what I'm saying? So y'all, I'm gonna have to bring a mirror up in here. Hold up, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, like, I'm not mad at this wig at all. Even the color is like growing on me. Like, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this wig. Like, this would be a real style that I would wear my hair in. And my hair would look exactly like this. I'm not mad. I can't see the back to style the back, but yeah, I would imagine the more I fluff, the more it's going to come out, you know, like stretch the curls. But you guys, like, this is not a bad wig. Like, and as you guys see, I literally just put this thing on and was like, okay, I'm ready to go. And you could push it back even more if you wanted to. Oh yeah, and then I could put some little baby hairs. Oh my god, let me go get my baby hairs. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh shit. You guys, I like this wig. Like, y'all, what? This is so crazy to me. I like it. I like it a lot. Like, it's so quick. It's so easy. I literally just put this thing on and it's good to go. So you know what? That makes me even more excited and ready to do this next wig. Like, but I think I am going to put this one back on for today. Like, I really do like this one. I like it. I like it, y'all. Just trying to test the water, see how far back I can go. Just trying to test. Y'all think that's too far? Maybe if I had a different hairstyle up under there. Okay, okay, let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. So let's go ahead and take this one off. Like, you know what? I'm really feeling that one. Like, okay. Okay, this one came with some earrings, y'all. Now this one is, I think it's gonna be, this one I thought was gonna be my favorite. It still might be. Okay, so this one, it is the little leopard, and it feels so soft. And this is already what it's looking like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love curly. I love the curly wigs. Okay, okay. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, all right. Let's stop playing. Let's stop playing the games and let's just do it. And already this one fit like really snug. Oh, I don't want to do it too tight. Jesus, give me a headache. Lord. Okay. So. Okay. So this one is just pretty much more simple, I guess. Not bad, but I mean, let me pull it back a little bit. Not bad. I mean, it's a lot. This is a lot of hair. Like, even for me, I love big, wavy, now, you know what? I might could do that, right? We might could pin this, do a little ponytail. Let me go get a ponytail holder, y'all. Okay, so let's see if we can, I'm trying to look in the mirror, y'all, so I'm so sorry. Don't want to do too much separation. You know what? That's not bad like that. I mean, if I fixed it a little bit more, like this could be really cute. Or let me bring it further down. Let me see if that's it. No, further down just looks crazy. Now this does look like a goddamn wig. I don't think it looked bad like that. I don't think it looks bad. Alright, let's try something else. Jesus. Alright, come on. Okay. So, because this is all, you know what, I'm gonna try to flip it all up forward and see if I can get it in a ponytail that way. Okay, so this is what it looks like this, and I actually love it this way. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. Not too bad, except for I probably put another scarf over this one just to cover up like this last track right here that's showing just a little bit. But I would probably wear this wig just like this. Like, y'all, I love this. But I still like the other one, so I think I'm gonna go back to the other one, although this one is cute. Like, I can see doing a lot of different styles with this one. Not really feeling that too much. Oh, what if I try to do like the little bun at the top? Let's see. Not feeling it. So if it's not the ponytail at the top, or even like the half up, half down, I probably wouldn't do this. But that's just me. But you know, some people, this hairstyle right here would just be cute. I mean, I do like the curls. I love the curls. I love the fullness of this. I don't know. The more I wear it, the more I like it. Is that crazy? Like, I will say this is straight like diva hair. Like, this is diva hair right here, because it's just so big, so full, and so like, you know, here I am. You gonna see me, you feel me? I like it. I mean, it's not bad though. This is not bad. But I do like the other one. The other one is like, the other one is my favorite. Which is so crazy because I've never even considered doing, you know what, can I just put it all up? Can it all go in like a low bun or something? No, I don't like that. Okay. I mean, you can work with this. You most certainly can. Not bad. It's cute. It's so, I mean, you know, maybe if I pulled it back some. It's cute though. As y'all can see, I'm not even going to apologize for putting this one back on. Like, this is my favorite one. Like, I just love it. It's so simple too. Like, I literally just put it on and it's just ready. It's ready to go. Ready to be worn. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Oh, the link for everything will be in the description box. Yeah, bye.